In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the ruler in Microsoft Word. The ruler is an essential layout tool. It gives you a visual scale for your page so you can align text and objects, check margins, and make precise adjustments to indents and spacing. Turning it on takes just a moment. Start by opening your document in Word. If you already have a file open, you're ready. Working in a document you care about makes it easier to see the difference once the ruler appears, especially near headings, lists, and multi-column sections. Now look at the top of the Word window. That strip of commands is called the ribbon, and it's organized into tabs like Home, Insert, and View. Click the View tab to switch from editing tools to options that control how the document is displayed. Within the View tab, find the area labeled Show. It's a small group of options that let you reveal helpful on-screen guides. In that group, locate the option named Ruler and select the checkbox next to it. The change applies immediately. As soon as you check Ruler, you'll see two rulers appear in your document. The horizontal ruler runs along the top edge of the page, and the vertical ruler runs down the left side. Together, they mirror your page size and margins so you can judge placement at a glance. When the rulers are visible, you can instantly confirm where your paragraphs start and stop relative to the margin, and you have a reliable reference for aligning images, shapes, and tables. The scale reflects your current measurement units, whether that's inches, centimeters, or another unit set in Word's preferences. If your document uses a different paper size or orientation, the rulers adjust to match, giving you consistent feedback while you work. If you don't notice a change at first, it may be because the window is too compact to display the full workspace, or because the document is being viewed in a mode that emphasizes drafting rather than page layout. Rulers are shown in views designed for printing, where page-level formatting is visible. That's all there is to it. By turning on the ruler from the View tab and Show group, you unlock a simple, precise way to control layout, improve alignment, and create documents that look polished and consistent. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting!